The tilde operator in Python. What's the usage of the tilde operator in Python? One thing I can think about is do something in both sides of a string or list, such as check if a string is palindromic or not. Any other good usage? Is the bitwise complement operator in Python, which essentially calculates x1. So a table would look like. So for I equals 0, it would compare S0 with S lens 1, for I equals 1, S1 with S lens 2. As for your other question, this can be useful for a range of bitwise hacks.
It is a unary operator, taking a single argument, that is borrowed from C, where all data types are just different ways of interpreting bytes. It is the invert or complement operation, in which all the bits of the input data are reversed. In Python, for integers, the bits of the 2's complement representation of the integer are reversed, as in B XOR 1 for each individual bit, and the result interpreted again as a 2's complement integer. So for integers, x is equivalent to x1. The reified form of the operator is provided as operator.invert. To support this operator in your own class, give it an __invert__ self method. Any class in which it is meaningful to have a complement or inverse of an instance that is also an instance of the same class is a possible candidate for the invert operator. However, operator overloading can lead to confusion if misused, so be sure that it really makes sense to do so before supplying an __invert__ method to your class. Note that byte strings, x, \xff, do not support this operator, even though it is meaningful to invert all the bits of a byte string.
Besides being a bitwise complement operator, tilde can also help revert a Boolean value, though it is not the conventional bool type here, rather you should use numpy.bool_. This is explained in reversing logical value can be useful sometimes, e.g., below tilde operator is used to cleanse your dataset and return you a column without nan.
One should note that in the case of array indexing, array ~id amounts to reversed_array of I. It can be seen as indexing starting from the end of the array.